Okay, let's use the graphing calculator to solve question number 1. What we're going to do is enter each of these functions into the y equals screen and graph them and see which of these has a parabola with a vertex that lies on the x-axis. So to start out, go ahead and tap on y equals, and we're going to enter the function that goes along with letter choice A here. So this will be y equals, in parentheses, x minus 3 quantity squared plus 2. And let's go ahead and take a look at that function and see what exactly it looks like. We'll hit graph, and it's graphing it in blue on my screen, and it looks like we have a function with no x-intercepts whatsoever. The vertex is located in quadrant 1, so this one definitely is not a parabola with a vertex that lies on the x-axis. So let's keep looking. Now at this point you can go ahead and clear this function if you want to. I'm actually going to use the second line for y equals, and I'm going to graph all of the answer choices at the same time. You don't have to do this, you can clear out each one as we go, but I'm going to graph them all at the same time. So we're going to answer, we're going to put in letter choice B, which is 2 times x minus 3 quantity squared, and that is all. Hit graph. And this one shows up in red. And as we can see, this is a parabola that opens up, and its vertex does lie on the x-axis, so more than likely this is the only correct answer choice, but we'll graph the others just the same, just to be sure. But it looks like letter choice B is the correct answer. I'm going to go down to Y3, the third choice, and I'm going to enter in letter choice C, which is 2x squared minus 3. Now, just looking at this, we can predict where the y-intercept is going to be. Graphing it, we can confirm the y-intercept is located at -3, and the vertex itself is located on the y-axis, but not on the x-axis. We'll go in and graph the last one. This is 3x squared plus 2. And just like the other, we can actually predict where the y-intercept will be. We can predict it's going to be located at +2. And we'll graph it one more time, and it is this one right up here that just popped up. It is, once again, a parabola that opens up, but this time the vertex is located on the y-axis, but at +2. So from our answer choices, letter choice B is the only one which is a parabola with a vertex that lies on the x-axis.